you have a pet in your home, you are going to be super excited about this video, and you are going to want to watch it in its entirety, because this tool will literally change the game for you. If you're anything like me, I have 3 dogs, and so I'm a bit of an expert when it comes to pet grooming tools and vacuum cleaners. I have a Sheepadoodle that's about 60 pounds, I have a 17-pound Cavapoo, and I have a 20-pound Rat Terrier Shiba Inu mix that sheds like no tomorrow. So I spend a lot of time vacuuming and keeping my house clean and hair free. I'm just one of those people who I don't want you to walk in my house and feel like, oh my God, they have a dog. You will know that I have dogs when you see them, not when you smell them or see a tumbleweed of hair rolling past. And so, without further ado, I want to introduce to you guys the PalFur Pet Grooming Vacuum. This vacuum is amazing because it not only grooms your dog, but it sucks up the hair as you go. So it literally will vacuum the hair up so you don't have any hair left over around your dog. So this literally saves a whole entire step. Typically with my Shiba Inu mix, I would de-shed him, and then I'm literally sitting there having to clean up all the hair that went all over the place as I was de-shedding him. This has a that allows me to do that. Same thing when I am brushing my doodles, because I don't de-shed them, but I do brush them, and I'm able to brush them and the hair go right into them. Even though like poodles are said to be like hypoallergenic dogs, or poodle mixes are said to be that as well. When you brush them, you're still gonna get shed hair the same way like when we brush our hair, we get shed hair. And so instead of that going all over, it goes into the vacuum, which I love. I also wanna say thank you to PalFur for collaborating with me on today's video. This new pet grooming vacuum has a notably spacious dustbin and effective dust and odor removal capabilities with HEPA. It has long-lasting suction power, and the spacious dustbin means that I don't have to clean the dustbin often. I can literally groom all 3 of my dogs and still have room to spare. And it has 5 different grooming tools. If you want to pick up one of these vacuums, these grooming vacuums from PalFur, I will have the links down below in the description box. I'm telling you, if you have a pet, you need this product, because this is gonna save you so much time and money. It's super expensive grooming your dogs, and you not only can brush them, de-shed them, you can also trim them as well with this grooming vacuum. So if you have a long hair dog, you can start doing your haircuts at home, and it can save a lot of money. My 60-pound Sheepadoodle, it costs about $160 in order to get him groomed. My Cavapoo and my Rat Terrier mix, they cost about $90 for grooming. So with having 3 dogs, it definitely saves a lot of money being able to do some, if not all, of those grooming services at home. So I want to talk to you guys about the HEPA filter that's installed in this grooming vacuum. It can fulfill almost 100% absorption of unhealthy pollutants to avoid secondary pollution. It's suitable for newborns, asthma patients, and allergy patients. It takes into account the different needs of all pets with different hair in different stages. It can be brushed, de-shed, trimmed, and clean pet hair anywhere in your home. Like I said, it is available on PalFur.com as well as Amazon. I will have a link down below, so make sure you click that link and pick up your pet vacuum. You will love it, your pet will love it. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.